Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a dish with this watermelon rind. I have kept the watermelon rind after removing the green skin of the watermelon. I have preserved this for making few dishes. Now I have taken two portions like this and cut it into cubes. I have added little curry leaves in it, red chilli powder, salt and haldi powder. We'll marinate this and keep it. I've taken half coconut for removing the coconut milk, green chilli, curry patta, lasoon and adrak, that is ginger and garlic. Now we will marinate this and keep it ready, and we'll remove the coconut milk also. I have extracted the coconut milk. This is around 200 ml coconut milk. The coconut I have spread it on a plate and kept it. This you can dry and use it for making the sambara podi or any chutney podi. So this I'll keep it aside. Now this is marinated well. I have taken 1 teaspoonful of rice flour here that we will add to the water and mix it well. And we will add this to the coconut milk. Now the coconut milk with the rice flour mixed is ready. Oil is hot. We'll temper with mustard seeds, cumin seeds and red chilli. We need turmeric powder, hing powder, then hari mirchi, lasoon, adrak and curry leaves. We'll put the tempering item. Add the lasoon, hari mirchi, curry leaves. The ingredients I will give it in the description box. I have made few dishes out of this watermelon rind, out of which the halwa was the best dish. Now we'll add the turmeric powder and the hing powder. We'll add the marinated watermelon cubes in it. Saute this. Saute this for a few minutes, then cover and cook it. You can use ashgard, potato, pineapple for making this dish. Let this get cooked. This is cooked well. Either you can add the milk in this itself, or you can change the kadai and add all these things and cook it. I am going to add it in this only. After adding the coconut milk, just keep on stirring it, because we have added rice flour and it is likely to form lumps in it. So just keep on stirring it. I am adding salt. Bring this to boil. When it comes to boil, the gravy gets thickened because of the rice flour. Now this is the right consistency to remove it from the gas by adding chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. Our watermelon rind coconut based curry is ready to serve. This goes along with rice very well. You can also serve it along with chapati. I added little jaggery in it while cooking. The watermelon rind coconut milk based gravy is ready to serve. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications. Check the description box for the detailed ingredients as well as the links of other dishes made out of watermelon rind. Thank you so much once again for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.